Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A quick video on ticker symbol Bdrx, and you know that the stock was really hot last Friday, and the stock can move really fast. When it gets some volume, it moves really fast. So that's why I'm making this video. So to keep this on your radar in case it runs again next week, you can be part of it and you can make some money. First of all, last Friday, end of the day, it was up almost 90%, but at one point it was up almost 130%. Compared to 89% gain, after hour it was down only 6%. Don't forget, end of the day the market came down. Most of the stocks actually came down, but still this thing is holding pretty well. Okay, why it ran yesterday? Because if you look at the news, I don't know like why I can see the news. Yeah, if you go down, you can see the news that came yesterday. Okay, you can just click and you can pause, you can read. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about the news now. Let's talk about other things. I'm going to talk about the chart. It's looking really nice. Talking about the float, the short interest, and few important things. And we also played Bdrx yesterday. When it was running, we identified pretty early in the morning. It went all the way to $2. So even pre-market 1.2 breakout entry, 67% move. Also, we played AVTX 88%, IBIO 20%, some options, some crypto. Even in my last video, I talked about OTLK. That thing was crazy also, 38% up. So it was a good day in terms of trading. It was a good day. You can see that the Bdrx, the price was around 1.09, and we said if it dips we will take $1 dip, or if it breaks 1.2 we will take 1.2. The price target was around 1.4, but that thing went all the way to $2, so not a bad day. And finally, if you want to join my trading community, use the link in the first comment, patreon.com. Go there, sign up. Once you sign up, you will get access to our Discord and you will get all the trade ideas, alert, and everything. So first of all, if I look at the volume, it got huge volume, like almost 88 million volume last Thursday. Friday, today market is closed, Thursday. Okay, 88 million. And this is so important because when you see the float of the stock, the float is only 1.16 million. 1.16 float versus 88 million volume. This stock will run, obviously. If you think about the short interest, you can see that the short interest of that stock is also high, 15.1%. If you look at last 2 days, the short interest actually went from 4.9 all the way to 15.1%. And yesterday the short interest was 15.1, end of the day. Okay, cost to borrow crazy, 346%. Whoever is shorting the stock, they're paying a lot of interest. Let's talk about the chart. First of all, this is a daily chart. If you look at the stock came down a lot, and especially this price is now reverse stock split adjusted 1/80. So you can see price something like 20, 25 something, but see the stock like it came down a lot. But time to time when it gets volume, this is a daily chart, see the green candle, the big peak. So within a day when it gets volume, it moves a lot, right? From $3 it can go to $9 easily. So let's come back last day. Now we are just sitting here, but looking at the chart, you can see it has some room all the way to $2, $3, even higher. So I'm going back to a 5-minute chart, and you can see that pre-market from 80 cents started running, went to 1.2 and came back to 1. That is why I was talking, if it comes to 1, that will be your deep entry. If it breaks 1.2, that will be your breakout entry. After the open, huge run up, went all the way to 1.2, came back and bounced from that 1.34, and still it is looking good because the ran up to $2, came back, but it is holding 1.3. So if it holds 1.3, we want this to go and retest that $2 barrier. If it breaks $2, it can go even higher. On the other hand, if 1.3 support breaks, this thing can come down to 1.2 or even $1. Now I'm going to 1 hour chart. I want to show you if it breaks $2, how far it can move. So I'm going to add a new line. So first of all, 2.2 can be one resistance. Then we will see some resistance right around 2.8. And also recently it went to 4.57. So we will keep those lines as a resistance because we know when the stock will run, it can go that far up. Okay. So We will update the line when we will trade, but obviously 3.3 then 4.5, these are possible because I know the stock when it runs really crazy. So again, this is a weekend. We will see pre-market price action, then we will decide. So add this to your watch list. Okay, I also released another video on Bdrx. That thing was crazy. Last Thursday and Wednesday we played back to back 2 days Bdrx. I think even the previous day Bdrx we played. So anyway, the stock is hot, we are making money. You can see Friday was awesome. Stock, option, swing trade, crypto trade, everything, like it was a spot on, and we made a lot of money. So be a part of it. Use the link in the first comment, go there, sign up, and then you can join our trading community and become a part of our member. Okay, take care, bye bye.